Hi everyone, I am John Oliver of Mindanao State University, Aligan Institute of Technology, and I am here to share to you my idea on gravity-powered light source prototype. Now, to supply our demand of power generation, we develop non-renewable and renewable sources of power. We have now windmills, solar panels, hydroelectric power plants, but these examples of power sources that I have mentioned have their own shortcomings. They can be expensive, need high maintenance, it is climate dependent, have complex components, and produces global waste that can harm our environment. Now, to counter these shortcomings, I am now introducing to you the gravity-powered light source. Now, why gravity? Because gravity is abundant, it means it is all over the earth. It is climate independent, and most importantly, it causes less to no harm to our environment. Let us now talk about what this gravity-powered light source prototype can do. The prototype works using a low RPM AC generator and through a slow falling mass. The whole idea is to have a mass fall as slowly as possible, taking as long as possible while still causing the generator turn fast enough to power up the LED light. After doing multiple trials and experiments to this prototype, it is observed that the prototype can produce a maximum of 1.23 ampere of current and can light up 12 volts of LED light. We have now successfully demonstrated that the prototype can provide sufficient amount of energy constructed from materials that are locally sourced and cost efficient. The amount of illumination from the light is considerably significant that it can be used in replacement of other light sources for a small scale activity. Given the distance of the mass has to fall, which is less than a meter, it is able to generate light for about 40 plus seconds that can be considered long given the simplicity of the prototype. From our promising initial results that the current generated and period that it is able to generate and can further develop the prototype into producing more current in order to handle other devices, increase the period of generation and other types of potential energy, and we can also further enhance the portability of the device by designing of a much more compact system.